fans of Prince TV, welcome back again to this platform. This video, I'll be giving you guys a flash and then the major date which people are going to receive the fourth payment of the Reddito the Emergenza. Up till now, there are many people who are still confused. They don't even know when they are going to receive the fourth payment of Reddito the Emergenza. As everyone can bear witness that IMS have made this fourth payment of Reddito Emergenza a thing of stress. That's what to be like say they don't stress people. They go talk this one, different kind of story based on this fourth and then this last payment of Reddito Emergenza. But now, this is the particular date which majority, when they say majority, when many people are going to receive the Reddito Emergenza, which is set to be on the 23rd of November 2021. You can see it here on the board. So, those of you who are still asking questions here and there, I think I have question here on this particular phone here. Let me try to see. Somebody asked even this evening and then said, "Greetings, brother." He said, "Please, any news for 4 payments of Reddito the Emergenza?" So now, bro, what you have to get in mind is that on the 23rd of this month, that is the major day which people are going to be receiving alert, piam, piam, piam. So mark this particular date. That is when the money is going to land in your account. That is when IMS are going to credit people for the Reddito the Emergenza. This is the fourth payment we are talking about. So guys, I think everybody have to now rest for the case of Reddito the Emergenza, the fourth payment. This is what IMS have stated so far. So you have to now wait. On that 23rd, that is when you are now going to receive the payment of Reddito Emergenza. Alright. And then those of you who are still panicking that they reject your application, they send you a rejection after receiving first or second or third payment. What you have to understand is that these people are making errors. Now, if you want to be satisfied by yourself, for you not to be panicking if you are going to be among those people who are going to receive this payment on the 23rd of this month, the best thing you can do, I always say it, is to call IMS. If you not call IMS, they will not tell you that, yes, the rejection message they sent to you is an error. That is when you will be assured and then know that the 400 euro as a single person who apply for the Reddito Emergenza will come to you. So for the fact that they stated that they made error does not mean that you don't have the right to call them. So those people who receive the rejection message last, you have to now still try to call IMS before that on the 23rd so that they will try to rectify things. Because if they said they send messages because of error, have it in mind that they will also try to even make mistake, not rectifying for everybody. This Reddito Emergenza, not be only our people they apply, many people, millions of people apply for the Reddito Emergenza. So don't just stay like that and then feel that, you know, the message is an error, you don't have to do anything. It is good for you now to call IMS before now till on that 23rd and then know, so that your mind will be relaxed. Because if you have the protocol number and then your codice physically, that is what IMS will demand for you, and then you will give it to them. They will not cross-check and then let you know that yes, your payment is on the way. Then your mind will be at rest. So that is just it. So have it in mind that the major day which IMS are going to disburse the fourth payment of the Reddito Emergenza to you guys is on the 23rd of November 2021. So that is how it is everywhere. So guys, I beg, if you never subscribe to this platform, please try to subscribe. Make sure say you put on your notification bell, know they collect money for you free of charge. Anytime I upload my videos, then you'll be the first person to be notified and know what this video is all about. We get many updates where we like say we will let you know how things they play. And then not fail to hit the like button. Also drop a comment. The next time again we'll be together. Enjoy your Reddito Emergenza money and then remember to share, come give Prince TV.